Hey YouTube, it's Mortimer, and today I am at Walt Disney World and I'm filming for the Disney Maker All-Star Creators Conference. I'm here for the weekend with Commander Holly and a bunch of other YouTubers, and it's basically like a resort vacation where you're supposed to come in and just film fun videos at Disney. So it's right up my alley. It's totally fun. So I have some exciting videos coming you guys' way very soon. But I hope this video will tide you guys over. I have a couple clips of things that we've been doing around the park. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys all again real soon. Bye!